guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gary Shadzik back with another video. And today I'm actually going to show you some slimes I haven't played with in a long time. So I actually have this one. It looks pretty gross. It's like melted. It's wet, like what the heck? Like it's a tiny piece, and it seems to be like wet somehow. But maybe my hands will adjust to it. So I'm playing with it on my desk. Maybe if I rip a bigger piece off, it won't be as wet. So I'm waiting for my hands to adjust to it, and it seems like they're not gonna adjust to it. So I'm actually gonna wash my hands. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and hopefully my fingers adjust to this disgusting slime. Like, I feel really bad for this slime because. So I'm thinking in my head right now. If I do something with it or something, like, it won't be as bad. So I ripped a little bit more of the slime, and it looks pretty gross. Look. It looks pretty gross. So this is this one. Hopefully my hand adjusts to it. So I'm gonna put this is disgusting. It's like literally not going back inside the bag. Like my hands are like not adjusted to it, so that's why it's not going in the bag. I need you to go to it inside the bag. Okay, so that's one. Then I have another one. Like, it's in another baggie. This one looks even worse. And the other one. It's like, it's actually like not sticking onto my hands as much. Like, this one's a little better though. It's like not that sticky, but not that stretchy. So I'm thinking if I make a little bit of this slime. Oh my god, rip. To this slime, it'll change the texture of the slime. But then I found out, nope. Okay, so this is the slime. After this, I'm gonna wash my hands and try to play with the slimes in a container, not a baggie, because this is horrible. The slime won't even go inside the bag. The freaking bag, and it's sticking all over me. I don't like it. I have this one. Hopefully it's not that bad like the other one. Okay, so I'm gonna take it all out. Okay, so I couldn't get it all out, but like, this one actually isn't that good. It's really stretchy though. It's like sticking all over me, but at least it's not like this one right here. And it's still really, really stretchy. It very sticky. So, just this one. So, after this video, I'm actually going to try to put the other one back in the bag because like, it's turning out really loud. And after I think this is the last one. It's actually butter slime. But somehow turned into fluffy slime. Not there, like it's licorice slime, a thing, because like this is what it feels like. And it's also very sticky. So these are my 4 slimes I haven't played with in a while. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment down below if I should do more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye!